What to plant with carrots? Did you know that carrots secretly communicate with other plants in your garden? When thoughtfully paired with compatible companions, carrots grow more vigorously, develop sweeter flavors, and gain natural protection from their most troublesome pests. This fascinating practice, known as companion planting, harnesses nature's own wisdom to create a more productive and resilient garden. Let's begin with the aromatic allies. Strongly scented herbs like rosemary, sage, and thyme create an invisible shield around your carrot rows. Their powerful fragrances effectively mask the sweet carrot scent that typically attracts the notorious carrot fly, which can devastate an entire crop if left unchecked. Furthermore, these herbs attract beneficial pollinators that enhance your entire garden's productivity while adding culinary value of their own. Onions, garlic leeks, and chives, members of the allium family, serve as exceptional carrot companions for multiple reasons. Their pungent odor confuses and repels various insect pests, while their different rooting patterns mean they don't compete for space underground. Additionally, alliums release compounds that may actually improve the flavor profile of your carrots when grown nearby. Perhaps the most celebrated carrot partnership exists with tomatoes. This mutually beneficial relationship showcases nature's brilliant design. Tomato plants release solanine, a natural compound that specifically repels carrot flies, while carrots break up compacted soil and create channels that allow tomato roots to access deeper nutrients and moisture. As an added bonus, the tall tomato plants provide gentle afternoon shade for carrots during the hottest summer days. For gardeners looking to maximize their growing space, radishes make extraordinarily practical companions. These quick-growing vegetables can be cleverly intercropped between carrot rows, where they mature rapidly, often within 3 to 4 weeks, and are harvested long before the steadily developing carrots need additional room to expand their shoulders. This technique, sometimes called marker planting, also helps identify your carrot rows early, as radishes sprout within days, while carrot seeds take longer to germinate. Bush beans introduce another dimension to carrot partnerships. These nitrogen-fixing plants naturally enrich the soil with this essential nutrient, which supports healthy carrot development. Meanwhile, lettuces create beneficial ground cover that suppresses weeds and retains soil moisture. Critical factors for successful carrot cultivation. Marigolds deserve special mention in any companion planting discussion. These bright, cheerful flowers don't just add splashes of color to your vegetable garden, they actively repel nematodes and other soil-dwelling pests through compounds released from their roots. Strategically placing marigolds around your carrot patch creates a beautiful and functional protective barrier. However, successful companion planting also means knowing which neighbors to avoid. Dill, despite being an herb, should be kept far away from carrots, as it releases compounds that stunt carrot growth. Similarly, parsnips should be planted elsewhere, because they frequently compete for the same nutrients and potentially share diseases with their orange cousins. Potatoes can also be problematic neighbors, as they may attract pests that subsequently discover and damage your carrot crop. When planning your next vegetable garden, consider designing carrot communities rather than isolated rows. Imagine concentric circles with carrots surrounded by protective alliums, then bordered by marigolds with tomatoes nearby, but not overhead, until the carrots are established. This thoughtful arrangement creates microclimates that benefit each plant while establishing natural defense systems against pests and diseases. Remember to consider timing as well. Some companions, like fast-growing lettuce, can be planted and harvested before carrots reach maturity, while others, like tomatoes, should be given a head start so they don't overshadow young carrot seedlings. By embracing these natural plant alliances, you're not just growing vegetables. You're orchestrating a harmonious garden symphony where each plant contributes to the health and productivity of the whole. Your carrots will reward your thoughtful planning with straight, sweet roots that burst with flavor. A testament to the power of good company in the garden world.